I cannot hear it.
So we're launching our FoxBuds, and I want you to try and tell me what you think about it. I'm gonna play a song. Okay.
It is very clear for sure, very loud.
For just wearing one earphone, it felt like I was wearing both. I feel like I'm in a silent disco because I can't hear anything else around me.
It's very comfortable as well.
I haven't tested better AirPods. I think it's really good.
Sound quality is really good. It's quite good when it comes to noise cancellation and quality of.
About 2000, it's really great.